Hi guys, here is what I had for lunch as a 9 to 5 worker. I had the stir fried sweet potato and some sauce and egg, which I enjoyed. The video is up already in my channel on how I prepared that. And then on Tuesday I had Chicken Republic rice and chicken and fried chicken. This is what it looked like, and yeah, I enjoyed it. It was okay, not that bad. And then on a Wednesday I was craving abacha, and I decided to get some abacha and fish, and this is it. And I also enjoyed this as well. It was really tasty. Yeah. So on a Thursday, I was craving beans, and I took some beans and chicken, and I had it with a cup of coffee. This is what my beans was looking like, not your regular beans, but yeah. And I enjoyed it as well. It was really soft and tasted really nice. So yeah, I had it with a cup of coffee. And on Friday, I wasn't craving anything other than mango, and these mangoes were really sweet. So thank you guys. This is what a 9 to 5 worker eats for lunch. To subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family. Until I see my next one, bye guys.